Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Binance with PayPal. While direct deposits from PayPal to the Binance exchange are typically not available, there are effective workarounds. We will explore two primary methods to help you acquire cryptocurrency using your PayPal funds and transfer it to Binance. It is important to understand the process, potential fees, and security considerations to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. The first method involves using Binance's peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading platform. Here, you can find sellers willing to accept PayPal as a payment method for their cryptocurrency. Binance acts as an intermediary, holding the crypto in escrow until the PayPal payment is confirmed, adding a layer of security. Remember to carefully check the seller's reputation and terms to ensure a trustworthy exchange. Another effective approach is utilizing third-party platforms that support PayPal for crypto purchases. Services like MoonPay or BitPay enable you to buy various cryptocurrencies using your PayPal balance. Once your purchase is complete, you can then transfer these digital assets to your Binance account. Be sure to compare different platforms to find the most favorable fees and exchange rates for your transaction. When using PayPal for crypto, be aware of the fees, which can sometimes reach up to 4% of your transaction amount. It is also vital to know that PayPal's buyer protection generally does not extend to cryptocurrency purchases, increasing your personal risk. Always conduct thorough due diligence on any seller or platform to protect your funds and ensure a secure buying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.